then we have the modern and the nowadays problems in society. We see that the people feel empty, they feel detached and disconnected with the government and also with their own lives. And later I will talk about why I think that especially one philosopher, a forgotten one, and maybe one of the most misunderstood philosophers in the history, that maybe Hegel not only predicted the crisis of democracy, but also laid down the principles to overcome this crisis and to fulfill democracy